Ready? Good girl, try it. Try it. You opened earlier for it. Ooh, what's that? Go in. It needs to go in. There it goes. What'd you think about that? There it went. Yeah, you want to try a little bit more? A little bit? Try it. Mmm. Good girl. Whoa, Mommy missed. What'd you think? What do you think? You like it? There you go. A little on your tongue? Mmm.